Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and I'm here with Renee and Kevin. And today we're doing a hairstyle with inspiration from Kevin De Bruyne, the footballer. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So today I think we will trim in the sides and then we will keep the length on the top. Of course take the ends and then thin it a little bit, but use your texture as you have it already. What do you think?
I think it sounds good.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna use our shampoo brush, and what it does is it cools the scalp. The mint in the shampoo is for the blood circulation in the scalp and it promotes healthy hair.
About the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. The flowers and the birds and bees, and all the lights, yeah, we're all affected.
Today I'm going to use the pre-styler Sidekick. It protects the hair and gives the hair volume and some texture, and it's a heat protector. Yeah. And I use 12 to 15 pumps. Don't be scared. Okay, Kevin. So before I use the wax, I'm gonna hear you gonna do any events or something in the summer?
I'm going to travel to Florida for 10 days with my girlfriend.
Yeah.
And I'm going to a festival as well called Smukfest.
Nice, I know about that festival.
Oh,
you dance all night,
exactly.
So you need a good wax
I
to
do.
hold the hair.
And then we drive to Crystal River to swim, snorkeling with the manatees.
Oh, yeah.
And then we go to the East Coast to NASA Space Center. And then, I think it's gonna be nice. And then
maybe visit Area 51.
That could be awesome. I would love to do it. Take a picture down at the mailbox. Then we drive, I think, first through Miami and down to Key West. Then we're going to stay a couple of days on Miami Beach.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's 10 days in total.
Yeah.
And we have like a car
We
to
were also
drive.
there for 10 days.
Yeah.
We also went to Old
Yeah,
Town.
it's
The internet, but you don't seem to forget about yourself.
Kevin, do you like your new hairstyle?
I really like it.
You did an amazing job, Renee.
Thank you.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.